important things that I'm very passionate about is honest sizing. Honest sizing means that we go through and hand measure everything and actually give it the size it is.
The new shipment in, what we're gonna do is quality check each piece, make sure that it's okay for our customers, and then custom size it. We're gonna check all the seams, make sure they're intact, all the zippers. We're gonna make sure there's no stains, and this one looks good, so we're gonna go ahead and measure it. The reason we measure these is because we get them from wholesalers that are sizing these as 1, 2, and 3X, and everyone has different variations of what those sizes are. So a 1X could be anywhere from a 12 to a 20. So we wanna make sure that our customers are getting the perfect fit. So this is our 3X. And we're gonna start measuring. Resting and then stretched a bit. Label this 3X as a 16.
Shopping online is hard enough.